Precision repair, Hexagon Healthcare. Equipment configuration. If every piece of equipment is accounted for and in good physical condition, the service engineer can begin to configure the equipment for its specific use. Configuration is a process of programming the equipment both mechanically and electronically for its intended use at the facility. Mechanical configuration involves installing the correct hardware so the equipment will operate properly as specified in the room layout. Specifically, wall receptors and collimators will be configured for left-hand or right-hand operation. The proper X-ray tube mounting hardware must be installed for the type of tube support used. A bucky or grid cabinet must be installed in the X-ray table, and the rails for the overhead tube crane, if applicable, must be cut to length. Electronic configuration includes any special wiring that must be installed on each device, the setting of dip switches on circuit boards, and software programming. Any special cables that are needed should also be cut to length and terminated during this phase.